If you want to stay strong, youthful, and full of energy no matter your age, this video is for you. I'll show you the 3 best anti-aging exercises that will keep you active and resilient. Be sure to watch until the end, because the last exercise is the most important one. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are a powerhouse movement that strengthens your lower body, improves balance, and keeps your joints healthy. This exercise targets the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings, while also engaging your core and lower back to maintain stability. One of the biggest benefits of squats is improved mobility and independence. Strong legs allow you to perform everyday activities with ease, whether it's climbing stairs, bending down, or getting up from a chair. Squats also boost coordination by strengthening the connection between your brain and muscles, reducing the risk of falls as you age. Additionally, squats promote joint health by enhancing flexibility in your hips, knees, and ankles, which helps prevent stiffness and arthritis. They also stimulate bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Plus, better blood circulation from squats supports overall tissue health and even gives your skin a youthful glow. How to perform squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keeping your back straight, lower yourself as if sitting into a chair, making sure your knees don't go past your toes. Pause at the bottom, then push back up to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the best exercises for building upper body strength, posture, and endurance. They target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, muscles that tend to weaken with age. In addition to strengthening your muscles, push-ups help maintain bone density by placing weight on your arms and shoulders, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. They also improve circulation, heart health, and cardiovascular endurance, keeping your body in peak condition. Push-ups enhance functional strength, making daily tasks like lifting, carrying, and pushing objects much easier. They also engage your core, improving balance and reducing the risk of falls, an important factor for long-term mobility. How to perform push-ups. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest toward the floor while keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position. If needed, modify by doing knee push-ups. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. Exercise 3. Plank. The plank is one of the most effective exercises for core strength, posture, and overall stability. It works your abs, obliques, and lower back, helping to prevent back pain and improve posture. Planking also enhances balance by activating small stabilizing muscles in your spine and hips. This helps with coordination and prevents falls, which become a bigger risk as we age. Another key benefit is that planks improve body awareness, making movements more controlled and efficient. Even though it's a static exercise, the plank engages multiple muscle groups at once, making it an efficient full-body workout. It also supports joint health by strengthening muscles around the shoulders and hips without placing excessive strain on the joints. How to perform a plank. Rest on your forearms with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and avoiding any sagging. Start with 30 seconds and increase the duration as you gain strength. Putting it all together, a simple anti-aging routine. Now let's combine these exercises into a quick and effective anti-aging routine. 10 squats to strengthen your lower body and improve mobility. 10 push-ups to build upper body strength and support joint health. 30-second plank to improve core stability and balance. This quick 5-minute routine exercise targets the key areas affected by aging: muscles, joints, and posture, all while boosting your energy and overall vitality. Plus, you can do it anywhere without any equipment. As you progress, increase the number of reps, add weights, or extend the plank duration. Make this workout part of your daily routine, and you'll feel stronger, move better, and maintain your youthful energy for years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and check out more videos on this channel. See you next time.